What's up, everybody? This is Real Jose. In this opportunity, what I want to show you guys is not only the big open house that we get, but also I just want to tell you about this opportunity that you have to get a house with the chance to house hack. And what's that about? It's about having a property with the possibility of making someone to live in your house at the same time that you're paying for a mortgage. So it's like renting a room, it's renting a studio bedroom, so you can have someone helping you paying with the mortgage. And this property has this opportunity. I will also show you the great premiere opening my new friends for all of my reels. Love it. Ok, muchachos, acabo de desempolvar, de sacar de la caja mis nuevos amigos para mis reels. No se lo imaginan. Sería bueno que me ayudaran a ponerles nombres. Se los presento a la cuenta de 3. 1, 2, 3. You know, this is the Monopoly character, and we have it on the jail. And we have it free, you know, having money and spending and investing and making the money. What I want to show you with the real estate is that you could not only get wealth, but also get freedom, financial freedom, and also you can give it purpose. You can use real estate for a purpose. It's not only about making money, which is really good, he knows it, but also to get out of jail, también para salir de la cárcel. So I just wanted to share this moment with you guys because you guys deserve it. You've been, you know, supporting all of those reels and all of those videos I've been doing also with my email marketing and my social media and all of my platforms. So you guys really deserve to take a look at this property and have this meaningful moment for Real Jose. So we're gonna have these guys having fun with us in all of our reels because they're gonna teach us. I will teach you guys, I will show you guys with the help of my new friends how to make the most out of the real estate. I just wanted to give it a purpose. Real estate career for me is something about purpose. Of course I want to make money, but I'm giving it a different insight. I want to share with everybody the possibilities that real estate can bring to you. And I want also to achieve my goals through the real estate. And this is about freedom. This is about financial freedom, developing your life career, your life path. And I want to help you. I am committed to make this possible.